Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to design professional certificates for your course using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So don't forget to subscribe. Now, first you have to open the Canva app, then go to the print products section, and here tap on the stationery icon, and then if you scroll down all the way to the bottom of the list, you will find the certificate icon. Now, if you tap on the certificate, Canva is going to open up the editing page, which already has the exact ratio, size, and quality that you need for such a certificate. And from here, you can go and upload your own images. You can add design elements from the Canva library, photos, and then go to the template section where you can find templates for certificates, like thousands of different templates that are all created by professional designers. And they are in these different categories. As you can see, there are birthday certificates, completion certificates, sports certificates, school certificates for children, academic certificates, and really a lot of different certificate types for your course, for your school events or anything. And to use one of these, you can just tap on the template, and it's going to add it to your design file. And from here, you can go and customize it to the fullest extent. You can tap on any text box and type in your own titles. You can change languages, you can add your own details, you can tap on these design elements and you can move them around. You can upload your own logos to it, add your own details, names, dates, and everything. It's very easy to customize, but you can still keep the professional look to the certificate, which means a lot for the person that receives the certificate. So I would highly recommend creating a professional certificate. As example, this one, these are all work certificates for your work employees or anything. Employee of the month certificate. These are all really beautiful and easy to customize. As I told you, just go grab anything. You can change the colors. Obviously, you can add any different colors, so you can make it your own style, so it matches your company or your cause that you're representing, but still have a professional design, which is a lot easier to do than hiring a professional designer for lots of money. It's easier, faster, and a lot cheaper, honestly. So, as I told you, you just grab and move around. You can change colors, you can make them bigger, smaller, you can really do anything with this, and it's fast and easy. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.